What's up? So today I'm gonna work on the $100 Beetle. Alright, so the $100 Beetle, the guy claimed that the flywheel was all junk and missing teeth, but I think the guy was just an idiot and the starter's junk. Alright, so since the exhaust fan over there won't shut off in the building, pushed the car inside already, pulled out the old starter. Probably can't tell much, but this thing's like rattling around. It's junk. Junkyard starter. It seems fairly decent. $30 gamble, $100 car. Why not? Pretty much just gotta take it, throw it down in there, reconnect some stuff, throw the battery in it, and the stupid thing starts. Alright, starter's in, battery's in. Let's see what it does now. Fucking starts right up. What a jerk. Oh, we'll call that a win. If this exhaust fan would shut off, that'd be awesome. But $100 Volkswagen, I'll take it. I don't care. Volkswagen Beetles are fruity as it gets, but is your car $100? Alright, so that's about it. I want to be ignorant, sell me a car for $100, tell me that's fucked up. I'll buy it for $100. Fix it. And that's it. Side note though, that back brake is torched.